and welcome to my channel. This is Nina from the Forgotten Bookshop Girl, and today we've got a little package to open. I thought we could do that together because I always find it's a lot more fun to do it this way. It's a very rainy day today, which I actually quite enjoy. We've had, over Easter, we've had a lot of sunshine. It was quite warm. And though it was nice to see the sun, I'm not really a big fan of lots of sunshine and heat. So it's a really nice change, I have to say. And also while I was out dog walking, I find that, especially in kind of like a middle of spring, when you've got a lot of green growing outside and leaves growing and grass and everything, kind of the green, all the green tones and all the other colours just look so much more intense, but in a really gorgeous way when it's raining. And the other plus was that there were no other people outside. It was just us, which was fantastic. But anyway, let's open this. This is a little something from Etsy. And all I can say is it's some ephemera that I would like to use for some journals. I really need to finish some journals and make new ones because my Etsy shop is starting to look really empty. Okay, let's get this out. Yay! Oh, this is so beautiful. Also, what a perfect thing to do on a rainy day. Have a look at beautiful things. Okay, I'll link the name of the shop below. I should have been better prepared, and I should have had the name ready for you. No, there's nothing in here. I kind of know the name, but I don't want to give you the wrong name. So I'll have the name of the shop. When I edit this video, I'm going to add the name of the shop, and I'm also going to add a link to her Etsy shop because she has loads of gorgeous things in her Etsy shop. So anyway, let's start with this. I got a range of stamps which look really fantastic. Shall we open? Okay, let's open one of these. Let's just open them. Let's have a look. Oh, fantastic. It's a really nice mix of all sorts of stamps and different colours. And I actually have to say that nowadays, because usually when I go to the post office and I post something, they just print out a label and stick it on the packaging. So you don't really get that many stamps. So this is a super nice mix of vintage stamps and more modern stamps and stamps from all over the world. This is really gorgeous. I'm looking forward to using these. Okay, let's put them back in there. And then I've got these playing cards. I've been looking for vintage playing cards to add to journals. I was really pleased when I found these, and also because they're a really nice mix of different kinds of, from different games. Because I have to admit, if I'd got one set of playing cards, I would find it a lot more difficult to take it apart and add them to journals. But if they're already kind of in a mix, I find it a lot easier. Oh, this is really nice. Oh, these are gorgeous. Really gorgeous. Oh, I think I should keep this one for a Christmas one. I might actually have to keep this one because I can already see things I would like to do with this one. Very nice. So I've got 2 more sets of the playing cards. Shall you open one more? Okay, maybe this one. And then we'll have a look at this beauty. I've been looking at the items in her shop for so long, and then when this came up, it's also vintage French ephemera. I knew I had to go for it because I think there were only 3 in the shop left, and then I just got the other things I've been looking at for a really long time. But these are really fabulous. Wonderful. I'm really looking forward to using these. Oh my goodness, look at this. We've got Mr. Wales. Oh, this would be perfect. Actually, what I might do, have a look, because I've just finished this journal, and as you can see, it's a Welsh title, and I've turned this into just a very, very simple junk journal, and this is actually going into the shop where I'm working, cloth paper stitch, because I have to because I've got this outlet as well. Obviously I couldn't list this on Etsy and at the same time have it in the shop, so I always have to decide which items I'm going to put into my Etsy shop and what items are going into the shop. But we've also got a literature festival coming up, so I thought this would be really nice to have in the shop. But I think Mr. Wales might go in this book. How perfect is that? And I can just tuck it in somewhere. Maybe Mr. Wales could be right in the beginning of the book. So when you open the book, you've got Mr. Wales greeting you. Yeah, I think I quite like this idea. It's World Weddings. So Mrs. Wales must be somewhere. There we go. So that's already sorted. And now let's have a look at this beauty. I'll put these back. Right. Very exciting. Come on. Fantastic. Oh. Viande et charcuterie. Fantastic. Absolutely wonderful. Lots of beautiful things. Oh, little telegram. We're kind of wondering if this came from a game, you know, the little post office game that kids can have, because that really looks like a child's handwriting. So that's really cute. Got these. Oh, really nice. Let's just go through them quickly so I don't bore you. But you might find that one or the other, I suppose, oh, that must be coming from the same game. This is really cute. Will find its way into the next journals I'm making. That's great. Lots of different little things. That looks like it came from probably chocolate. Like little cards that came. Interesting one. Oh, geography. European geography. There we go. Oh, this is a potato card. I think we've got potato cards. Oh, we've got this really fantastic postcard. Oh, this was probably like one of those where I'm thinking, I can't give it away, I need to keep it. Oh, and I really love this one. But what you can do, you can always scan some of these in and then keep them kind of like a scanned item for myself. This is from the Three Musketeers. chocolates biscuits. So that must have been in a box as well. Oh, these are fantastic. These are really fantastic. Oh, I'm so glad. So glad I decided to get them. And then we've got, oh, isn't this just beautiful? I think this definitely needs to be scanned in. Definitely. Yeah, I'm still working on some DigiKits, so I'm thinking maybe some of these things could make it into the DigiKit, but one day I'll get there. So anyway, thank you very much for joining me here. I think now if you're really tempted to open this one, just very quickly, if you've had enough, you know, just press the stop button. Okay, come on, let's have a look at this one and see what we can find in here. Okay, Mrs. Toot, and Miss Stitch. What else? Wonderful. These are really brilliant. Fantastic. Oh, we've got Miss Wales. Oh, now I've got a decision to make whether Miss Wales should go with Mr. Wales, or maybe Miss Wales is looking for a different gentleman. It might go somewhere completely different. So we shall find out what they're going to do. Let's see. Let's put this back in here for now. And yeah, thank you very much for joining me. As I said, I'm going to link the details of the shop below, and do have a look because she's got loads of really, really fantastic items in her shop. And yeah, but I hope you're all having a fantastic day. I'm trying to find some time where I can do a few just very simple tutorials for you. I know I haven't been uploading a lot of videos, but I got sidetracked by work, but I really enjoy creating videos for YouTube, so I have to find a way that I can do it kind of in a more regular way, even if I can't say, oh, I'm going to do it like once a week, but maybe have something on a more regular basis. Anyway, I hope you're all having a fantastic day, and I shall see you very soon. Bye.